Hey there! In this video, you're gonna learn some pretty cool and interesting things you might not have known before. Enjoy, and here we go. Believe it or not, candles used to be eaten during famines. Candles were primarily made from beef fat or beeswax, and so they were often stolen during famines for people to eat. A famous book called À la recherche du temps perdu by Marcel Proust contains around 9,609,000 characters, making it the longest book in the world. The title translates to Remembrance of Things Past. Brazil is the world's first largest producer of coffee. Would you believe, though, that Vietnam is second? Colombia comes in a close third. Did you know that 111,111,111 times 111,111,111 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Be honest now, who said that math isn't fun at least occasionally? Come on! The tongue twister sixth sick sheik's sixth sheep's sick is said to be the toughest in the English language, according to the Guinness Book of Records. Go ahead, pause the video, and try it yourself. The shortest war in history lasted just 38 minutes. It was between Britain and Zanzibar, a small island off the eastern coast of Africa. It is known as the Anglo-Zanzibar War, and it occurred on August the 27th, 1896.
If you require saffron for a cooking recipe and you're on a tight budget, better think again. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, ranging from $500 to $5,000 per pound. Chickens, believe it or not, vastly outnumber humans on Earth. Really, with poultry being such a common food staple in so many countries, there are an estimated 25 billion chickens alive and clucking worldwide. If you paid attention in astronomy class, you may already know this. Astronomers say that the moon was once a piece of the Earth. Theory has it that the Earth was struck by a giant object during its formation, breaking off a large chunk of Earth, creating our moon. John Wayne, arguably Hollywood's most famous cowboy, didn't like riding horseback. He learned to ride young and did so frequently that by the time he started making movies, he was already fed up with it. True story. During the colonial era, around the 17th and 18th centuries, lobsters were so plentiful and abundant that they were often considered poor man's food. They were even served to prisoners. Quite a change from today's standards. The planet Jupiter may be a failed star. It is composed of hydrogen and helium, the same elements as the Sun. However, Jupiter isn't large enough to start nuclear fusion and generate its own energy. If it was around 80 times bigger than it is now, it would likely become a star with low mass.
Rivers are some of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. Studies have shown that rivers and lakes sustain more fish species than the oceans, even though rivers contain 600 times less water. More thunderstorms occur during the summer months than at any other time of year. That's because the warm weather creates the perfect conditions for rising hot air and moisture to form thunderstorms. Nicholas Copernicus, the famous astronomer, was Polish. He was born in Turin And he established the concept of a heliocentric solar system, which proposed that the sun is at the center of the universe rather than the Earth. Berries, by definition, have their seeds on the inside of the fruit. Bananas have seeds in the fruit itself, but are so tiny we never really notice them. Therefore, bananas are technically berries, and strawberries are not. Talk about too hot to handle. Deep sea vents, or hydrothermals, occur when two tectonic plates spread, causing water in those places to reach up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. The intense water pressure, however, prevents the water from boiling. Speaking of water, the vast majority of life on Earth, around 90%, is aquatic. These are water-bearing species living within our oceans and lakes. Pretty cool stuff, huh? Thanks a bunch for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.